And here we have the finished product. I've got all the glass in and the stainless back on. I wanted to do a tutorial on the glass, but I had to replace all of it, so I found no reason to do that. As you can see, I'm still missing some of the stainless trim. Not too bad for a four-door. Not perfect, but definitely in driver condition. I can clean it up as I go. Still working away on the upholstery. It's just about getting done. Did that all myself. Got quite a bit more things to do, but stay tuned and I'll keep you up to date. As you can see, I just retained the original stainless and put it back on there. I will be doing a tutorial on how to make it from scratch shortly. As you can see, I've been working on the interior. Got it just about completed.